Hello, what is up everybody, RO57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. In today's video, we will be checking out the Jeepscrambler. This is number 8 out of 10 from Baja Blazers and number 233 out of 250. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Here it is, the Jeepscrambler, which is in this metallic gray, or maybe some people can say it's gunmetal gray. I'm not sure. Yeah. First of all, I want to complain is basically the wheels and the base. If you look closely, basically it's more of that muddy look, which yeah, if you might have heard a few of my other videos, I may have said that I'm not typically a fan of the muddy wheels or anything like related to like cars being a bit dirty after, because there are basically they are what do you call that, rally cars, basically rally trucks or anything. Yeah, not for this one. I mean, the design and all looks great, just that the wheels are not too good. So this car actually has been released before, but not in mainline. Instead, it's in the Hot Wheels premium line, where they had like regular tires, they had like great card art. There were like five cars in the set, sort of, I think. Yeah, there was one like rally set. Was it like rally pickups or anything? They sell the whole set for like 5. There was one of these cars which is in dark green, matte green, if I'm not mistaken, and that looked great. The car was very nice. Now I want to talk about this one. So yeah, let's judge a bit about this Jeep. Here it is, the Jeep. What's its name again? Scrambler. I was about to say Wrangler. So this is the Jeepscrambler, which is in this metallic gray, which looks awesome. So you have to talk about the wheels. Basically, you have the 5-spoke off-road wheels, which is I mean, the rims are in black, just that the whole tire is in sort of like this light brown, I don't know, color, which I'm not too much of a fan of, as you can tell. You have some red and orange stripes moving from the back towards the front of the car, towards the door as well. And you have a mini Hot Wheels logo right there. You have the racing number, I guess, rally number. It says Baja Blazers 083, number 83 basically is the car's number, and Jeep right there, which is nice. You do have a bit of some muddy effects, which is the same color as basically the base and the wheels, which is not too bad. I mean, like, you can see kind of like some effects of some mud from the side of the car, the bottom side of the car, which is not too bad. Moving on to the front, you do have sort of like this tan colored front bumper, 0 headlights, and no front grille. I mean, they didn't like detail the front grille or anything. Sadly, no. Like, I did do an explanation. I mean, like, I talked about the Jeep FC previously, where it had the headlights and I believe the grille details, whereas this one doesn't, because here, and here, yeah, basically that's the reason. Of course, Mattel doesn't want to cut more cost, so basically they just left out headlights, rear lights, and everything. So yeah, you have some more orange and red stripes moving from the hood, basically, which is not too bad. Here is the other side, if you're wondering. Oh yeah, clear tint for the windshield, and is that red? Yeah, you have some red interior right there, red seats, which look nice for the car. I mean the pickup. looks good. Let's look at the bed. I'm not sure. So the bed is in this plastic red again. I mean, like, so like that dark maroon red, similar color to the interior. Now I'm not sure. I know that's like a pickaxe, or I think. I'm not sure what are these. Like, what's over here? Let me see properly. I believe those look like wood. Like, if you look closely, it kind of reminds me of wood, because you already have a pickaxe there, so it would be possible if that were to be wood. I don't know what it would be basically if it's not wood, but maybe there are some other guesses. You can let me know down in the comments. What do you think about what are those besides the pickaxe and the back of the bed? But yeah, interesting detail. At least it's not like what the truck. What's the truck's name again? I forgot. At least it's not like the Rio Asada truck where you had like a skateboard at the back, if I'm not mistaken. So here's the back. No rear lights, no license plate. You do have a Jeep embossed right there. It's like sticking out, as you can tell. It says Jeep, which is interesting. Rear bumper, of course, in that tan color as well. Jeepscrambler, made in Malaysia. And Patel, no year. I'm not sure why, but yeah. To me personally, I'm not a huge fan of this like Jeep. If it's these sort of like trucks or cars or pickups, I would only pick one. I mean, like, I won't grab more of the colors. Like, basically, like, for example, this Jeep Scrambler, I wouldn't buy like other colors as well. Basically, I'll maybe just stick to this one casting, and I won't buy like different colors of it. I mean, if they were to release other colors, that would mean like they would have to they would have to learn in that, like, I mean, they'd have to get the tires basically, but yeah, I'm not really the type of person that would collect more of these once they've gone with the tan tires, whatever you want to say it. I mean, like, sorry, it would be nice if you like use this car for, like, I don't know, muddy areas, dioramas or something like that. It would look great because obviously you already have the muddy wheels on it, so it would make total sense. But yeah, I'm not really a huge fan of it. Overall, pretty mid for the like Scrambler, but overall it's fine for me. I mean, at least it's not a fantasy or anything. But yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Jeepscrambler. Let me know what you think down in the comment section down below. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.